Hello, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix "sorry, something went wrong" for solutions. Please visit. This is exactly what you are getting, this error as you can see here. "Sorry, something went wrong for solutions. Please visit this link." Now, you don't need to visit anything. I will show you how you can fix this in just a few seconds. Now, if you are using Steam or Epic Games, what you need to do is to exit it. Okay, just click on this arrow at the very bottom right. And after that, you want to find Steam or Epic Games and right click on it and then click on exit Steam or Epic Games. Now, after that, what you need to do next is you want to search here. In the search here, you want to search for Steam. Okay, Steam or Epic Games, like I said. After that, right click on it. Sorry. Now, just search, like I said, for Steam. And after that, you want to right click on Steam and then click on open file location. Now, after that, this will pop up. Two files will pop up. You just need to right click on Steam and then click on show more options and then click on properties. Now, after that, you want to click on compatibility and make sure you select this one that says run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Okay. Now, after that, you want to click on this one that says disable full screen optimization, and you want to check this one that says run this program as administrator and then click on apply. Like I said, if you are using Epic Games, you can do the exact same steps, just the same thing. Click on OK and then close this and then close the Epic Games or Steam and then try to open it again and see exactly if you are still getting this error or not. If you are still getting this, you want to wait 24 hours. That's exactly the amount of time you need to wait for this to fix by itself. It will be fixed by the company itself, Steam or Epic Games. Now, hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.